All right, those are just our diced frozen sweet potatoes. Now I'm just coming in with a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon in each one of these. We're making a super easy holiday side dish today. Everyone loves sweet potatoes, but if you don't wanna make a whole sweet potato casserole with your raw sweet potatoes, this is just a super easy way to do it, and your whole family is going to love this. All right, we're just gonna sweeten these up a little bit more with some maple syrup, and I'm using the real stuff today. And we're going to put in just about a teaspoon in each one of these. If you wanna use something else like stevia to kind of lighten the calories, or honey or agave or anything like that, you can do that instead. But I love the taste this real maple syrup just brings to the sweet potatoes. Tastes like the holidays to me. All right, now we want these to be nice and creamy, so I'm just gonna put in about another, maybe half a tablespoon of heavy cream into our sweet potatoes. That's really gonna combine, make them fluff up, and be super delicious. Perfect. Y'all, this is so easy. We are almost done. All right, I'm gonna use a little bit of mini marshmallows. Y'all, look at this. This is my little snowman face. I'm digging into the hot cocoa mini marshmallow supply. Turns out there is a shortage of mini marshmallows this time of year. I went to the store last night and they didn't have any. Isn't that crazy? So I'm having to use my hot cocoa supply, but I'm sure I'll be able to refill it maybe by the end of this week. But in the meantime, oh, Mr. Snowman, you are melting away. And to get a nice little crunch, we're just gonna top this off with a few pecan pieces. They are the official nut of the holidays, in my opinion. If you don't like pecans, you could do a little bit of walnuts, or I don't know if I would do almonds, but you could. You could even put some candied pecans on here. I think that would be absolutely delicious. Y'all, like I said, this is super simple. We are just about done here. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for about 25 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. Alrighty, y'all, it was just 20 minutes with our sweet potatoes. Look how good these look with those delicious marshmallows on top. My absolutely favorite side for the holidays. I'm just gonna scoop this right out of here. Look at that, it's a little bite. So I know it's sweet, but you're not overindulging because you're just having the right amount. Look at that. Mmm. Oh my God, this is delicious. Y'all, you have got to try this.